Download our COVID tracker map to see how near the virus is getting to your home. All employees, please log in to update your personal information to ensure business can continue while you're working from home.
Did your spidey sense tingle when you read any of those? We hope so. They're all based on real cybersecurity threats related to COVID-19. Bad guys capitalize on current events. Right now, they're taking advantage of the coronavirus. Our latest ebook, Cyber Creeps and COVID-19, highlights the many coronavirus-related scams out there right now, highlighting IT threats for business to be aware of. This helpful guide also covers educating your employees in the power of a secure email gateway to protect your business. Whether it's a phishing attack or malicious attachment, bad actors prey on human nature. They'll target your staff's heightened anxiety, desire to help, or near Pavlovian response to urgency or a steal of a deal. Businesses are grappling with the move to remote work and other changes to processes. The cybercriminal is seeking new weaknesses to exploit. Read this roundup of known threats related to COVID-19. Help your IT team ramp up cybersecurity. Download Cyber Creeps and COVID-19 today.